This is Meine Fritzen reporting for C. Lindelof videos on polynomial division with remainders. So we have 5x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 39, all divided by x squared plus 2x minus 4. So I guess the first thing we do is I'm going to write this out as a division problem. And I'm going to give myself a little help here. And the way I'm going to do that is this. I have 5x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared. So I have x to the fourth, x to the third, x squared, but there are no x to the first powers, Cassie, so I'm just going to write in 0 of them as a placeholder. All right? And then minus 39. I'm going to start my division, which is x squared. I'm just going to leave it that color for a second, and then I'm going to write the rest in plus 2x minus 4. Remember when we do polynomial division, Joshua, that we follow this first term here, don't we? So I'm just going to start, then I'm going to say, start with this, 5x to the fourth power divided by x squared is 5x squared. Because 5x squared times x squared is 5x to the fourth power, isn't it? However, we have to continue to follow our math, so we multiply this times this. Now, Josh, this times this, which gives us positive 10x cubed, doesn't it? And lastly, we have negative 20x squared. All in agreement? So when we do long division, we divide, we multiply, then we subtract. The difficulty here is that we have to be careful. We have to subtract the whole thing out. And remember that subtraction means to add the opposite. So the way I look at it is this. I'm going to subtract this whole thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this negative sign, I'm going to put it through. Negative times a positive is a negative. Negative times a positive is a negative. Negative times a negative is a positive. And then I'm just going to get rid of that real quick. Is that all right? Clean this up. We do our subtraction part just like any other long division. Subtract. This goes to 0. This goes to negative 12x cubed, doesn't it? This goes to 13x squared. If you'd like, you can bring down. It doesn't matter at this point to me. But I am going to ask myself the next question. The next question is, right, we start the whole process over. And, Joe, we're going to do negative 12x cubed, right, divided by x squared, which I believe gives us negative 12x. Is that true? That gives us negative 12x. Same thing that we did before. I'm going to multiply everything through here. This times this, then this times this, then this times this, which gives us negative, sorry about that, negative 12x cubed, negative 24x squared, isn't that right? 24x squared, and also negative 36x. Everybody good with that? So I'm thinking, Audrey, now what I should have done actually is maybe brought this thing down from here. Is that right? This plus or minus 0 x's, just so you can see that we followed up on that. We need to, yes. 48 here. And it would be plus because a negative times a negative is a positive. 48. Good job. Thank you. Good job. I'm going to clean this up. Remember that we have to subtract the whole thing out, right? So our negative becomes positive, negative becomes, and positive becomes negative. All good? Do our math here. This goes to 0. This goes to 37x squared, doesn't it? Yeah, minus 48x. Now what? Yeah, you know what? You're right. I can bring down here. Good for you. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely correct. Now I'm going to take my 37x squared and divide it by x squared, which is 37. Follow that same process. Get 37x squared here. Get, is that 74? Get 74x here, and it should be negative, shouldn't it? And get, what is that? Is it 148? Minus 1, wow, minus 148. Now what? Now what? So yeah, subtract that whole mess out. So negative becomes, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, and so far so good? Yes. So now it is? Good job. So we get what here? 109. That's positive. We get negative 122x's. Is that right? And what is this mess here? How come we stop here? We have to stop here. Why? This is our remainder. So our answer is here. We've put our remainder, r, our remainder, so we get plus our remainder of negative 122x plus 109 all over, exactly, all over x squared plus 2x minus 4. All good?